What do we expect from a 3D printed object? A plastic part, a little rough around the edges, visible layer lines on the surface. That's the nature of extrusion-based technology and what sets apart a 3D printed object from a mass-produced plastic part. That little refinement. But what if you could easily eliminate the layers and smooth the surface of your printed part, achieving a high gloss finish without a moment of elbow grease? We are proud to introduce our most innovative filament to date and our brand new desktop machine to work in tandem. Available in a wide variety of colors, this new filament has a vast range of applications across many different industries.
Polysmooth is soluble in isopropyl alcohol. When a Polysmooth model is placed into the polisher, an ultrasonic nebulizer creates a fine mist in the chamber. Each particle of mist is typically 5 to 10 microns in diameter, so a very even coat of IPA is applied to every nook and cranny of your model. The particles then start melting the surface of the model, smoothing the layers, and your model is transformed in a matter of minutes.
You can use Polysmooth on any desktop 3D printer. Like all other Polymaker filaments, Polysmooth is easy to work with and prints very well. You can get fine details with good interlayer adhesion. Print complex geometries with Polysmooth's impressive bridging capability. Polysmooth support is also very easy to remove, and once polished, there is no scar left on the surface.
Throughout the whole process of bringing our first hardware product to market, we utilized 3D printing, focusing firstly on function over form. We fine-tuned our early prototypes to get the best user experience out of the desktop machine, until finally our designers could bring the Polysher to life with our minimal design and intuitive interface.
I use an awful lot of different 3D printing materials in my business, and I'm loving Polysmooth, not only for its amazing polishability, but for its great printing characteristics. It's just a joy to print with, and I'm sure that you're going to like it too.
We designed the Polysher to be as simple and intuitive as possible. To operate the Polysher, just twist the dial to set the time. Alongside the main operating dial, the Polysher features 3 buttons for power, opening and closing, and the chamber lighting. We've built in some really cool lighting effects into the Polysher. There's dimmable white chamber lights that illuminate your model. There's also a multicolored nebulizer light, which can cycle through 15 colors, or you can set it to your preferred illumination.
This isn't our first Kickstarter campaign. Back in 2014, we introduced 3 entirely new materials for 3D printing and asked for your help to bring them to the market. With this successful campaign, we got our company out of the lab and promised to keep on innovating and developing new materials for 3D printing. Since then, we've introduced Poly Support, tackling the issue of easily removable support, and Polymaker PC, an entirely new family of polycarbonate-based filaments, perfect for engineering applications. We've scaled up our production lines and opened distribution offices in both Europe and North America.
Through electroplating, Polysmooth can be metallized, opening up possibilities for conductive or jewelry parts. Polysmooth also creates a clean surface, perfect for selective hydrographics.
The sleek design of the Polysher allows it to fit harmoniously in any environment. Place your Polysher next to your printer for professional home desktop fabrication, or use it to achieve those finishing touches in your university project.